If you do not have a press kit, you are way behind on this artist game. This is basically the document you send over to promoters or club owners or basically event organizers to show them who you are as an artist. And if you do not have a press kit, this probably means you're not doing any outreaches to these venues, which means that you are way behind. As an independent artist, you may have to do the outreaches yourself. If you're just emailing without a press kit, there's no way for people to actually know who you are. What's up guys, it's Adrian and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, definitely go and hit that subscribe button because every week I give you guys tips, tricks, and strategies on how to grow as an independent artist. And plus, when you subscribe, it helps my channel out a lot and helps me grow as a expert in the field of music marketing. So go and smash that subscribe button and help me grow. As you guys can already tell, I lost my voice. So instead of giving you guys an intro to the topic of press kit, I'm just gonna jump right into it and show you guys a section of my music marketing course where I'm teaching you guys how to build your own press kit. And if you guys want the full course, there's gonna be a link under this video that you guys can check out. A press kit is important because it has all your links and information on one or two sheets. So I'm actually gonna show you guys how to build a press kit, and I'm gonna walk you through exactly how I do it to show you that it's actually not that hard. You don't have to spend any money at all to create one of these. We're just gonna hack what's available online right now to help us create our own. So I'm gonna show you guys the exact process I did to create my press kit. So basically the first thing I did is I need to first generate ideas and figure out how I want my press kit to actually look. So what I did was I went to Google and I went to Google Images and found some press kits that I can use as a reference. So I found a press kit that I liked and then I cut it and pasted it into Canva. The reason I paste into Canva is because we're gonna use it as an outline to build the press kit. You never want to recreate something on your own if you can just find resources or find references to use as an example. So I'm gonna be using this as a reference. So basically what you do is you just build on top of it. So for example, I'll do a square there, a square there, a square here. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect, you're just using it as a reference. And then you add some, say add a line, zigzag. And again right here. Right? And then you just add text and then you just build on top of it. Exactly the placement that he has his text, you will put the exact same placement in Canva. And then when you're done, you just delete the background image and then you have whatever you just built. Now, this is exactly what I did to build my press kit. And let me zoom in so you can see. So this is exactly what I did to build my press kit. I just used his as an example. As you see, I just literally just copied exactly what he had, but put my own twist on it. I put all my links to my social media account. I put all the links to my music. I put a DJ info. Feel free to copy this and take it and recreate it as your own. But you can go in and you can literally just use references. Find other people's press kits that is already made that you like and just literally recreate it. I'm gonna actually leave a link below this video to this that should be able to give you guys access to it so you can scroll through it and see it on your own. I'm using Canva to edit everything. So if you don't have Canva, you definitely need to get it. It is definitely worth it and it's free. Now there's two types of press kits. There's the vertical one and then there's a horizontal one. A lot of people feel that a press kit should be a one-sheeter, and just to give you guys an example of how that did, I literally did the same process I just told you guys. I found a reference and I just copied the information over from my first press kit that I created, and I just added it in and just moved things around to make it look good. So it's the same concept. And we're gonna go over why this is important and why you should have one, because we're gonna use it later on to get in front of blogs, get in front of people who write articles, try to get some press releases on us. So definitely go ahead and make one of these, because we're gonna be using it later on. Now, the last thing I wanna show you guys is how to add links to your PDF. So first thing you do is you have to download it as a PDF format. So now I'm gonna add links to my press kit. So the site I use is PDF Escape. So you just drag your image or you drag your PDF. So on the left hand side, you click where it says links. You then drag over the spot that you want the link to be, and then you put in your Instagram. Then you type in the website for the link, right? So now that is a clickable link. And then you just do that to everything else. You drag over the Facebook symbol, and then you add Facebook. And then you just do that for all your link. And then when you're done, you just download and export it, and you'll have now a PDF with all your information on it with clickable links. So anytime someone looks at it, they can click on your SoundCloud, your Instagram, your Spotify. They could click on any links that you have on your press kit. Another thing I recommend you guys having is a Google Drive folder titled Press Kit that has all your photos, all your music, and your bio. So when someone clicks on the photo, they get to see all your photos, your logo. It has everything in there that you need. And then if they click on music, it has all your music as well, so they can download it wherever you like. Which is why I have on my press kit, I have all music. So I link this over here to my Google Drive. So I'll put in my Google Drive link right here, and anytime someone clicks that, it takes them to my Google Drive folder that has all my music. So I'm covering all my bases. It'll have all my MP3s, all my WAV files, and all the links to my social media profiles. Alright guys, so I hope that was helpful, and what I want you guys to do before the next video is create a press kit, and create a press kit as well as update all your profile photos, your banners, your cover photos. Update it all, put all the links in the right places. Make sure your profile setup is good, because we're gonna be driving a lot of traffic to all your profiles. So it needs to look like you're a serious artist. So when someone does land on your page, they will stick and they will stay on your page. So if you haven't already, go and update all your profiles online, and also create a press kit. And share your press kit in the Facebook group, and people will give you some feedback on it, what to add, what to take out. So definitely go share it so people can see and provide some feedback. All right, so looking forward to seeing what you guys come up with, and I will see you in the next video.